Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Breville Barista Express here. So the main issue with this machine was that the grinder wasn't working. It was just clogged and it wasn't grinding the coffee. And the main reason for this is that this grinder in particular doesn't handle light roast very well. So it's better to use a medium to dark roast. You can even go for maybe something medium light, but you just can't really use a light roast with this. The grinder's just not strong enough to grind it. So I put a medium roast in here from our neighbor's Zolo Coffee, and I'm gonna pull a shot and just test the machine. So what I did is I cleaned out the grinder completely with an air compressor and various tools. I cleaned out the grinder and then I gave the machine a tune-up. So I replaced the gasket here. The group head goes right here, and I cleaned and replaced the screen. Then I descaled the machine here through the group head, through the wand, and then I used a milk cleaner on this steam wand to get any milk residue from inside and outside of the wand, and back flushed the group head with the coffee cleaner. So I'm just going to pull a shot to show you everything is working. Even though the main issue with the grinder was the type of coffee being used, it was also very clogged inside, so I was able to get that completely clean. And the water tank, the water reservoir in the back here was pretty dirty, so I actually was able to just scrub out the whole inside of that and remove all that residue in there. So this shot is running a little slow, just because the coffee that we put in here isn't calibrated exactly to the machine. It's just our test coffee. But as you can see, we're still getting to the espresso range, which means the pump is working well, everything's working well. It's just a matter of how finely we grind this coffee and how much coffee we put in the basket. I'll make a few more adjustments before sending this machine out, but just so you can see, it's building up enough pressure to get a nice crema. Yep, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.